Yes.
Okay, you're filming. You don't need to hold the button in, son. Just...
What should I do?
Let go of the... There, it's filming. Ready? Here we go. Yes, you can fish over here. Yeah, not a problem.
Wow, that's so cool.
Thank you.
How far can the plane go?
As far as you can see it. If you couldn't see it anymore, you'd actually still have control over it.
So what if you got stuck in the tree? Should be doomed.
Did you get that?
Yep.
Cool. You'd be crying because you'd be out a lot of money.
How do you make it move on water?
You control it with the transmitter here. Okay, I think this is about enough. You ready?
It's dropping. It's dropping.
Ready?
Mission completion! Whoa, 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 whoa. Beep. Absolutely awesome.
Awesome. Right on.
Mission completion.
Mission accomplished.
High
No. I'm sorry.
Five.
Oh, high five.
God, that's
Yes.
so...
Steven, what are you doing? Okay, right there. Throttle back, all the way.
I did.
Yeah, you're still not getting it. But that's fine. You're doing good. Easy. Keep the nose down a little bit till you get closer to the water. Look at that. Look at that. Good job. It's a beauty. Yeah. That you don't smack them. Go. Stop then, stop. Okay, make the left. Left, attaboy. Wings level, attaboy. Climb. I hope I got that. I was so nervous watching you. I don't know if I did or not. Good job. Throttle back.
Turn?
Yes, turn. Keep the nose down a little bit, as the wings level. Easy. Keep the nose down, there you go. Perfect, beautiful. Right on, dude. Yep, keep her coming. Was that you? With the throttle?
Yeah, it's me. Should I bring
Yeah, just drive her in. I'll catch it.